Thousands of people are already losing their jobs, not because of another pandemic, but because of artificial intelligence. And this is just the beginning. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. From writing articles to designing buildings, AI is learning faster than ever. But there's one question everyone is asking. Will AI take your job? Let's find out. In just a few years, AI has started doing things we once thought only humans could do. Writing essays, coding software, even creating art. Companies are using AI to analyze data, manage customer service, and automate factories. That means millions of repetitive and routine jobs, like data entry, telemarketing, and factory labor, are slowly disappearing. But before you panic, not all jobs are vanishing. AI can process information, but it can't think like a human. It doesn't have emotions, creativity, or empathy, at least, not yet. So jobs that need human connection or creativity, like teaching, psychology, content creation, engineering, and design, are actually growing. And guess what? Even AI needs humans to train it, monitor it, and fix its mistakes. The best way to survive the AI revolution is to learn how to work with it, not against it. Start building skills that AI can't easily replace, like critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and tech literacy. If you can learn to use AI tools, you'll become more valuable, not less. Think of AI as your assistant, not your enemy. The future of jobs isn't about machines replacing humans. It's about humans evolving with machines. AI will take away old jobs, yes, but it will also create millions of new ones. The question is, will you be ready for them? Subscribe for more educational videos that explain the future.